Hello YouTube, it is Elvaro over here. In this video I'll show you how you can remove Google Lock FRP from your Samsung devices. The device that I will test right now, it is A13 running on Android 13, so the latest one. Okay, so here you can check that my phone is already locked with a Google account. Great. So if you forgot the Google account, you can give it a try on this method and it will work for sure. So to get started, you will need to go to your browser, and from there you need to go to a tool. You need to find a tool that is created by Samfw. So to get started, type on your browser samfw.com and open the Samfw tool, and then scroll down and find the download button for this one. So you need to scroll down a bit after the instructions are done, and the link to download is this one. So just tap on one of the links, click here to start download, and it will open the mirrors. Just pick any of the mirrors that show up over here and you can run the software after that. I've already downloaded the application and I will open right now. Okay, so this is the app that I will be using for the FRP on this device. Basically, you have some menus over here, and what we need is test mode. Okay, so let me show you the phone right now. On the phone, you need to go back to the initial screen, and over there you can find emergency call. And on the emergency call, you need to type *#0*#. The phone will go to test mode, and over there on the software, you need to tap on the remove FRP new security. After the phone is detected, you will get a pop-up on the phone that says allow USB debugging. You will need to check always allow from this computer and then hit allow. Perfect. Once you do that, the phone will be on the same screen and the software will do the job to remove the FRP. So all you need to do right now is just wait. You will see that the phone will go to settings just like it goes for me. And on the software, you can see that remove was successfully, and the phone will restart automatically. Okay, so let's wait for the phone to restart and we will check if the FRP removal was successful. Okay, so here we go. The phone is already starting. Okay, the phone started, and on the first boot, you will see some flashes, and you may notice that the phone will not respond immediately. So don't worry about that. Just wait a bit and wait for the phone to respond properly in order for you to access the phone menu. Okay, so you see that to unlock, sign in with your Google account, it says over there, and the phone flashes and does not respond. So it will be like this for a while. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't happen, depending on the Android version. What you will need to do right now is you will need to go to settings in order to perform a reset. I'm just gonna stand back and wait for the phone to complete the flashes, and the software will run properly after that. Okay, let me give it another try. Okay, so here we go. Okay, it is asking the same thing. It's not going to the main menu. We just need to wait a bit more. Don't worry, this is part of the process. So just like I told you, sometimes it might happen, sometimes it might not happen. As long as you see this screen, it means that the software has done its job, and it will be working perfectly. Okay, let's wait a bit more. Perfect. So here we go. We are at the main menu of the settings, so you can use the phone normally now, but I suggest you to do another reset from settings. So let's go to the settings. Okay, first I'm going to show you what Android version this one have and security patch. So go to about phone and software information. Sorry, click the wrong one. So about phone one more time, software information. Here, so it is A135F running on Android 13. You can see the second one that it's running on Android 13 already. Okay, so you need to perform a factory reset in order to complete the phone into the factory mode. Go to General Management, scroll down and you need to find reset. It should be the last one. Factory data reset, hit reset again, delete all, and that's it. When the phone starts right now, will be completely unlocked without a Google account, without a PIN lock. So if this one worked for you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, if this one did not work from you and you need help from professionals for the FRP service, you will need to go to helpviral.company.site, and over there you can see there are a bunch of products that you can purchase. And also you have this one that says remove FRP Google Lock on all Android devices. So after you do this one and you purchase, you will need to contact via WhatsApp. You will have the WhatsApp number over there, and you will get help from professionals. It's if you don't want to waste time and if you would want to do all single Androids, this is a method that you should try, and it will definitely work for you. So here you have the phone number. You can click on WhatsApp and you have the email over there also, and your device will get unlocked as soon as possible. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye.